Want an easy way to share your Messenger profile with friends? Let me show you how to find your Messenger QR code so you can connect instantly. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find Facebook Messenger QR code. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon. Now tap on the QR code icon in the top right corner of your screen. Here you see your Messenger QR code. You can share it directly by tapping the share button. If someone wants to add you, they can scan your QR code using the same QR code option in their Messenger app. And that's how you find and use your Messenger QR code. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our new videos.